Good morning, my name's Kevin James and I've had degenerative lumbar osteoarthritis since May 2009 when I collapsed at home, but my physical problem wasn't correctly diagnosed until 2012. I experienced hip and lower back pain and significantly reduced mobility, plus I have constant nerve pain. Everything you can possibly think of is impacted by my condition. I have trouble sleeping, showering, eating, walking, driving, gardening, housework, social hobbies, family life. In fact, everything that's physical, social, or work-related. In fact, I can't work anymore and I had to retire in early 2015. Prior to this, I was constantly on the move for nearly 20 years as a mobile occupational health nurse, and I travelled up to 100,000 kilometres a year operating a self-contained occupational health unit and a mobile office on wheels around major business centres and more remote places throughout Queensland. But with chronic pain, there comes many challenges. On a personal level, for me, it's maintaining a positive state of mind, which presents a constant struggle. And after many years, I've developed a range of options, including the use of appropriate and effective pharmaceutical pain relief, pacing, light exercise, which is walking for me, cognitive behavioral therapy. I also look at acceptance and commitment therapy, meditation and mindfulness daily, and when required, professional psychological support is needed. In fact, in my opinion, the most important mental health tool for me is giving back to others, feeling useful and validated by volunteering at a local nursing home. I participate in a program of support to prevent loneliness and social isolation in the elderly men, which is very common for people who have chronic pain who are also isolated. I believe it's extremely important to connect with other people living with pain and to share information and tips. A lot of people who have chronic pain, especially if they're at the beginning of their long journey, they're quite lost and overwhelmed, as I was, and they just don't know what resources and support are out there for them. Musculoskeletal Australia, or msk.org.au, are asking people to fill in their national consumer survey, which is available on their website now. Please consider doing this, as they have some excellent and comprehensive resources to share. Plus, they also have a national 1800 helpline available Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Chronic pain is important. Please log into msk.org.au. Thank you for listening.